This is our teachers using a wedge and a lever to make work easier while chopping wood. The wedge is the top part of the axe, and it's a thick end that tapers to a thinner end, and it's moving to chop the wood. The lever is the part that he holds on to, and the fulcrum are his hands, and it's moving the wedge and chopping the wood. This is another wedge and lever, but this time the wedge is being hit by the lever into the wood so that it can be chopped. This is a wedge because it's a thick end tapering to a thinner end moving into the wood, and it's a lever because there's a fulcrum that's moving and making it so it can go into the wedge.
The chainsaw is a wedge because the blades are wedging in between the wood.
The students are using screws, which are in-kind planes wrapped around a cylinder.
Students are screwing them in with a screwdriver, which is a wedge because the thinner end is moving to turn the screw.
The pulley was 4, which means it multiplier force times 4. In reality, the actual mechanical advantage was probably somewhere around 3, because there was a lot of friction in there. And we could calculate that if we knew the efficiency of it, we could know how much is wasted due to friction. All right?
My mom asks why I died. It's because I got 3 fibroids. Nothing further.
I wanna be a cowboy.
How many people we got?
Didn't you do the musical? Musical? Yeah, didn't you musically? These students are using levers because the fulcrum is their wrists and the input force is also their wrists and the output force is onto the nail.
This is a pulley, which is a grooved wheel and a rope. It makes it so that you can move heavy things.
This is